we're doing another moving vlog again. It's a slow move, so I'm slowly getting stuff in there. I need to look into movers, figure out if I can hire someone and how much it'll cost. Just not in a good mood right now. I feel very blah, very stressed. And then, you know, every day, you know, you sometimes get hate me comments, me news. So like reading that stuff, especially in the morning, just kind of like puts a damper on your day. I'm trying not to let it get to me, but I'm a very sensitive person. I'm trying to work on that, but things really get to me and I get really sad. So it is what it is. I treated myself to a frappuccino. I told myself I was gonna get coffee, but if it gives me joy in life, why not? There are 6 giant bags full of clothes that are going to my apartment in here so far. These 2 I'm dropping off to a friend to let her go through them. I'm feeling stressed. All right, we dropped off all 6 bags and I can't even like really touch them until I go to IKEA and get some dressers. Good morning, guys. It's a new day. Today's plan, I really want to work out. I haven't worked out in a while. I'm gonna pack a little bit more and then go. And then 2 of my bar stools came. I only bought 2, but like it can fit up to 6. I bought these from Amazon. I wanted to order just 2 to see if I even like them. If I don't, return them. Got rid of all the donation bags. I donated them. I let my friends go through them. So that's out of here, so it looks so much better. And then little closet update. I also need to figure out movers. So that dresser's empty. This dresser's empty. And then I need to pack up all the hangers in a box. I'm just gonna leave that there and then go through them later. You guys had suggested me put away all my winter clothes for the summer in like a bin and put that in like one of the closets. So that's what I'm gonna do. These are sell. I have 2 bags of clothes that I'm gonna sell. The rest were donated. Just probably take photos of them when I'm at my new place. Figure out the shoe situation. But that is the closet update. I'm literally almost in my closet. Okay, so we're gonna start packing up my supplements, put them in here, take them over to my new place. Okay, so I'm gonna put the last 2 bags I have filled with my shoes, and the shoes that I didn't keep the shoe boxes. Whoops, my bad. I love New Balance. 452s, in case anyone's wondering. More of New Balance, chef's kiss. 9060s. Okay, so I'm gonna take a break from packing and go to the gym. We're gonna do some legs, so I'll take you guys with me through that. I'm gonna put my hair up, and then we're gonna go. I started the new series, The Last of Us. I guess it's not new anymore. I'm always late to watching new shows. It's so good. I'm like so captivated, but I gotta go to the gym, but I can't stop watching. Hey patooties, how you doing? So I just finished my workout. It was a good one. I've been super inconsistent lately with the gym because like I'll get back on track and then something will come up like traveling, moving. I swear the shape of my butt has changed and it has morphed into a pancake now. I don't know. Some days it looks really good and then other days I'm like looking there and I'm like, bro, where'd it go? Where are fell booty? I don't know. I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It is what it is. Like your body is gonna fluctuate, your weight's gonna fluctuate, your muscles gonna fluctuate. Like it is what it is. You know, I'm living life. It's not like I can, okay, I'm not gonna move or do anything, or I'm not gonna travel and take these opportunities because I gotta hit the gym. Like I'm not gonna do that because that's just sad. Hi, hello. That's not living life, you know? There's more to life than the gym. I love the gym, don't get me wrong, but like, I'm not gonna like stop doing stuff or stop traveling because I'm gonna miss the gym. It just doesn't seem healthy to me. Okay, so here are the bar stools I got from Amazon. They were $99 for the set of 2, but they were a pain in the butt to put together. I got 27-inch. and I already got makeup on it. So I need to figure out how to get rid of that, because leave it to me. I can't have white yet. I chose all white furniture. Maybe like makeup wipes or Tide to go. I don't know. That's gonna bother me. But here, I really like them. I'm gonna order 2 more to complete it, but I don't think they're bad. Good morning, guys. The movers come tomorrow, so I have to go to my house, kind of get that area cleaned up. I have to take a few boxes up, go back to my apartment and clean that. Like it seriously needs to be vacuumed. I need to pack up a little bit more for the movers. I just got gas. So I have to get a bunch of this stuff up there. I'm gonna get the movers to take the heavy stuff because there's no freaking way I can lift that. My dad can't lift it. So they're gonna have to do that. I'm gonna listen to music while I do it. Something's on my camera. When is there not something on my camera? Okay, left ear.
Would you attack in my defense? You won't make me level up and you don't want that. That's why I'ma get this lit. I bet everything I got you, we can run that. Look up to the stars, you see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Look up to the stars, you see where I are. Universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Couple of things I hate is fake flexing. Couple of things I hate is...
This is a situation. These are IKEA boxes that got delivered. The delivery people did not want to take it up to the bedroom. So I'm gonna get the movers to do that. Majority of these are closed though. That's bathroom stuff. Finished all my bar stools, and then we have like a bunch of like one-up packages that I have to like go through, figure out which cabinet I want to be my supplement cabinet. I am losing my mind over this little dot. I don't know what it is. Yeah. It's looking a little messy. It's so hot. I gotta stick my head in the freezer. Oh my God.
the stars. You see where I are, universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Look up to the stars. You see where I are, universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers automatic. Couple of things I hate is fake flexing. Couple of things I hate is that fashion. Don't let my time go to waste, I need extra. Don't tell me lies in my face, be direct. I direct it like a movie scene, credit. I just stepping, yeah, expression self-funny. No duplication, there will never be another. Whip like a spaceship when I'm floating through the city in the late night. You wanna play, then get your cake right, but you can't pay to play if it ain't written in your fate. I could never stop and wait, I could never be off pace. I could not be copy paste upon the one that made the wave. I know. Face a boss like Bowser on Mario 64. Know you be afraid of what you never seen before. It's better find a rider that can always be on go. No second guess, no hesitation, pedal to the floor. Look up to the stars, you see where I are, universe is my backyard. Pablo Sanchez, knock it out the park. Just like magic, numbers all